So thank you, Jyoti. And Julie is gone, but PJ, Elise, wonderful job on that. Thank you so much for your presentations, your leadership. It was tremendous to hear from you. As we conclude, I'd like to thank my own committee for producing this wonderful day. Mary Rosenberg, Randy Jaffe, Wendy Maudlin, Shion Ishikura, Glenda Smiley, Mary Beth Maloney, Rochelle Cooper-Schneider, and Leslie Cohen. I'd like to, even if they're not here, just clap anyway. Good. I will make sure to pass that on to them. I would also like to thank everyone, of course, in the Office of Development and Alumni Relations, especially my friend, Kelly DeFelice, Senior Associate Director of Alumni Engagement, for their hard work and for helping to make this day so special. Thank you. So I hope to see all of you at the closing reception. It's going to be now in the atrium in Altschult Hall. So please join us because we have a special gift in gratitude for your volunteer service. And in addition, for those of you that have pre-registered, we have the tours of Barnard Library's circulating collections, which are scheduled to begin at 5:30, and they're meeting in the Milstein Center lobby. So today, our aim has been to engage you with information about Beyond Barnard, the lives of today's students, and the standing committees of the AABC. We wanted to enlighten you with current financial statistics, updates on academics and admissions, and inspiring words from our president and Ariana Gonzalez-Stocas. And we wanted to empower you, of course, as leaders and contributors to the future of this institution, with our breakout sessions that emphasized both dialogue and feedback, along with new information to help you in your volunteer role. As both recipients and messengers of today's program, I would like you to leave here today inspired to take action. So connect with someone you met today, listen to their experiences as successful leaders and stewards of the college. You can send an update about today's programming to your class or regional group so that they are aware of all of the news at Barnard, including President Bylock's vision for the future. Reflect on your current volunteer role and the ways in which you can develop it. And consider volunteering in an additional capacity to find the ultimate fit for your talents at Barnard. And spread the word in your alumni community about the importance of fundraising participation, as well as the fabulous events that are offered and hosted by the college on and off the campus. Today, you've been the recipients, but now be the messengers. As we close Leadership 2019, I want to thank you for your service, your insight, and your energy that continue to sustain Barnard's important mission. As chair of Leadership Assembly, I am proud to be a member of this outstanding community. Thank you.